Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. No joke with the attack NEWLINK. No play with the attack NEWLINK. Attack. People. Jaja. So right now, people, a little princess has gone. 4-year-old right now. Down at Trelawney. What them say man? Place them called Freeman's Hill. Viewers and subscribers, looking back. Remember seeing place down at Trelawney? Last year we have a family dispute. Family thing. Where Tamara Geddes' life was taken away from her tragically, people. By her own, own flesh and blood. Her own, where she grew up with a yard. From she a look a picnic, so. You understand? Tell them turn big people, so. And they are the one who is behind the gruesome death of Tamara Geddes. Which there are enough things I keep undercover now, because you don't know, say, people did go so boom, get charged and this until, you know why? Them are all in a bag of things, people. So you know what I mean? But I'm saying, you don't know, family thing go on in Trelawney. Other family thing go on, but these are some story that I did cover majorly in Jamaica, people, upon the attacking boss thing. Alright, come some more there. Drop, another story drop. Zine, mother and daughter in custody pertaining to murder of the mother own son, of the daughter own brother. And then a year say, boom, it was committed by another son, who is the man brother. Then a year say, boom, brother find around there, so I want another part dead. Zine? Okay. And the way them carry out this act, people, how them say them deal with it. Chop up be something and deal with it, you know. Jaja. Well, people, attack. Now, the news that the attacking boss covering today now, people. This story now. About this gruesome and brutal act, Zine, that happened down, as me tell you before, at Trelawney. Where them say the place name, people, if my right, Freeman's Hill, Freeman's Way, Freeman's Road, Freeman's Way. Okay. People. Them say now, because I want to tell you now, them say go first, you know, then the attacking boss start launch the attack and beat it up in the car. Yo, and I don't play a thing with them on today, you know. No, me serious, people. You see me a laugh? Okay. Alright. Them say Sunday. Yeah, that's Sunday, January the 10th, 2021. Yeah, man. Just Sunday. Brother and brother have them look a dispute go on, people. I don't know them have dispute and them look a argument over. You understand? Which, boy, every brother me know. Me never saw one brother and one brother now. Me don't know people. Me never see it. You know, say it must happen where we are brother and brother. Never an argument, never an look. You know me, disagreement. I see it, people happen to me. You understand, and it must happen to you. So I don't know. You know what I mean? Well, people, it seemed like this argument with brother and brother was something big. Wasn't something small, because one of the brother people decides, say, you know what? Me I take this thing different. Well, doggy the outside, people. You know, I mean, a early morning, me I do my vlog right now. So you go hear doggy, them a go on a bag of thing, was turn them, see something on them jaw. You know I go already. Doggy, make them go on back. Leave not stop and go edit and chop up nothing right now. So, people, see, as me say, brother and brother have them thing, and one brother decides that he might take it to a different level. So him sending threat to the other brother according to the reports that come to NEWLINK. So look, you know, you think it a go so? Eh? Boy, you think it a go so? Remember me I go deal with the case. So they said that now, people. Brother gone boy in business, brother gone yard and thing. You know how was now? Brother they home with them look toddler people. As me telling you, you look a toddler. Then you say a calling, make out a door like that, say, yo John, forward out as a now. So John I must say, when I come boy, I come a call man, but come out. I say, oh man, when I'm in my room with me, I'm look at where you boy like that. So it said that when John comes up, one guy do over people, and just see something curse him up some. Zine, I'm just giving the name John, you know. Not say that is the correct name. And then comes a boom and hold him and, you know what I mean, carry him out there. And the son him go out the people. There was a tussle between two of them. Yeah, boom, 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 and something start knock and thing. Then I hear, boy. Yeah, boy. 2 clap people. Then I hear say, man, you hear foot start run down so. When the resident come and neighbor come close by and look people, they found the little baby. You know what I mean? The little toddler. According to the name of me, said John. John look at toddler people. Wish should be, is the niece of that brother people. I suffer from a bullet to our abdomen people. It is said then comes the woman and look upon the brother that a John will make a name. He have 1 in 9 foot people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Yeah, team man, people. It is said that then comes a boom now, police and everybody comes to and try the best people. Rush them and drive to the hospital. Oh my gosh. Sadly people. Doctor try the best. They try. Police drive fast, everybody drive fast, who that drive. Little toddler now make it people, she drop out. Brother now, John, who I give the name people, at the time was still in hospital. You understand? Because, as I tell you say, he get her to him feet, in foot. So he was still there under treatment people. They have to do a local surgery and think on him foot because, you know what I mean? Well, viewers and subscribers, they said that shortly after that police do them checks and do everything people. They carry 2 men in custody pertaining to this gruesome and this brutal incident. One of the man who is the brother, you understand, and the nether, I want to feel him look parry them, I want to feel him look, you know what I mean, clang them. People, you see this, brother, you know, against brother. Look into the whole thing now, viewers and subscribers, where the attacking boss come off. And that's why I beat back from the Tamara get this come up. Family thing. Beat back from the St. Mary incident. Family thing. And beat back to this one. Family thing. And a family thing now where, you know what I mean? An uncle now, you know, responds to the of him own niece. Brother and brother in an argument, people. Brother and brother have them difference. And brother manager and threaten brother say, yo, Luciano, me I go deal with you. Remember that. And he come back people with him gunman friend, which him is a gunman too. Zine. And this is the end result of it, people. This is the end result. This a same thing you know, people. When they know, when I sell now, a rubbing head now and I think and I say, boy, I can't believe. Or that it I say now, you can't believe. Or that it has now beg for forgiveness. Attack. Give him the NEWLINK. Beat it upon him, the man. Attack. You see, you sin thing. You piece of sin thing now. Who decides you wanna me I go for my friend. If you can deal with my own brother. Flesh and blood. All if a jacket parents did give. Uno still grow up as brother because at big man age and stage now. Uno son a brother. And this is the end result of it. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. You think a joke thing, this people? A serious thing. Zine, a attack for it. Me say me even beat the attack. Give the man who him care with them in the people. The attack when me a beat mostly I go to it. Zine, because it is wrong to bring somebody to deal with them own flesh and blood that we are people. It is wrong to take it that we are when going to strap. It's wrong. But all I can say, viewers and subscribers, with them a Jamaica boy, them want to fix up because them are same thing enough to go so people. Them are same thing enough to go sit down and eat taxpayers' money. Enough to go so. Rest in peace, little princess. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Yeah, T-man. Attack. You see when me beat me attack them people, me not see about none, you know. I sorry the people them done a Trelawney could find it and deal with it. M-O-B-E it, man. I big stone more and drop it night. Boom. Take a big tick them with the all the maca night. You think I joke me I make? I see you deal with same thing like them, yeah. See? Should they be like that? Big up on yourself, people. Enough love. Enough respect. You don't know the attacking basket to work people. Who knows and me see me in that stage of people. It's not joke attack. It's a serious attack. More love, more life, and more blessings. And remember, please subscribe. And after you subscribe, please hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you will get them on top all in the notification section. People, remember, you know, follow me on Instagram because a lot of videos you see me can't post over your sub people. What them there? I Instagram and have a link me to forget them. No joke about it. If you don't follow the Instagram, you don't know get it. So NEWLINK production, NEWLINK_production official. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. On Facebook, NEWLINK production. Follow the thing, people. And if you do want to contribute to our channel, I appreciate it so much. Please check below in the description. And we have the PayPal link. Appreciate the love and the support, man. Attack. Big up on yourself, people. We not like family killer. None at all. Peace out.